Trader, Bidu. This is one of the best of the breed. It had a gap, a 2-day, another gap, a consolidation, a third gap. Now we have a pullback. They've been on fire. And I will tell you right now, people, you better listen to me carefully. Under services, buy now, pay later program, you have a chance to get an investment in Baidu. You don't have to have credit and you don't have to have a stock account, but you can get in. All you have to do is call me right away. We're going to back up the truck. If we break support, we are buyers down here. If we are to break this support and we came down here, we're buying the dip in Chinese internet stocks. And every dip that we get and every chance that we get with every pullback, they got the strong breakout and they're going to rest and they're going to pull back. They're going to test support before they make new highs. Get started today. Buy now, pay later. Call me at 503-753-0062.